Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add TSA Precheck to your Expedia account. This is a fantastic way to streamline your travel experience, ensuring that your trusted traveler information is automatically included whenever you book flights through Expedia, saving you time at airport security. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to expedia.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you want this information stored. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage all your personal information and travel preferences. Now that you're in the account settings, look through the available sections and navigate to Airport Security. This is the section specifically designed for managing your trusted traveler information, including TSA PreCheck details. Click on it to access the relevant fields where you'll be entering your information. Once you're in the Airport Security section, you'll notice a right panel with different fields available for you to complete. First, locate the field labeled KTN, which stands for Known Traveler Number. This is your unique TSA PreCheck identification number. Go ahead and enter your KTN into this field carefully, ensuring that all digits are correct. Any errors here could prevent your TSA PreCheck status from appearing on your boarding passes. Next, navigate down to the redress number field. If you have a redress number issued by the Department of Homeland Security, this is where you'll enter it. The redress number is used to help travelers who have experienced issues with watch lists or misidentification at security checkpoints. Enter your redress number into this field if applicable. With both fields completed, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or side of the panel, and click it. This action will store your TSA PreCheck and redress information in your Expedia profile, ensuring it's automatically applied to all future flight bookings. And there you have it. You've successfully added your TSA PreCheck information to your Expedia account, making your future travel smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.